Good morning, Mr. Husband. What else you want me to do?
What is the time?
Sir, the time is 1:16:40.
Tell me about multicollinearity.
Oh God, I am tired of you. Hang on, let me answer this. According to Wikipedia, in statistics, multicollinearity, also collinearity, is a phenomenon in which one predictor variable in a multiple regression model can be linearly predicted from the other with a substantial degree of accuracy. In this situation, the coefficient estimates of the multiple regression may change erratically in response to small changes in the model or the data.
Open YouTube. Play music. Send email. Send email.
What do you want me to send?
Hi, this is a test email.
Email sent.
Thank you, Nikki. Take rest.
Thank you for sparing me. I'm tired of you. I'm crashing for the day. Bye bye.